Hey, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look using Design Essentials Natural line, the Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. So if you're interested, definitely keep watching. So what can I tell you guys about my hair? I have type 4 hair, high porosity. It's a little mix of 4B, 4C. It looks like some parts of 4A. So I definitely have coarser texture of hair, but a little mix of everything as you're going to see. But in this tutorial, I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I'm going in with black castor oil. And what I like to do, because it's really good for high porosity hair, is start with liquid, which is water, and oil base, which is my black castor oil. And I'm just applying it to each section, really taking time. And then I'm going to use my foam. This is not the first time that I've worked with Design Essentials before. In the past, I used to use Design Essentials back when I worked in the salon some years ago, actually about 13 years ago. I used to use Design. So in this video, the technique that I'm using is shingling. I know you've heard of shingling before, but what I'm doing is I'm just individually separating my hair in kind of like a loop motion, setting the curl. This foam wrap dries really fast. My hair was left moisturized. The curls are definitely enhanced. So I just twist it like twice, kind of like 2 loops. Depends on the length of your hair, obviously, but that's all I do, and it really enhanced the curls. So overall, I love the way my curls set. By the time I was done with this video, I let it dry an extra 30 minutes, and just so you guys can really see how my hair looked dry. And this is the look. My hair actually feels very soft. The curls are defined. It took probably about 40 minutes to create this look. I'll be honest, it took a while because you're actually defining each curl. I wanted to offer this option as a wash and go as opposed to the gels because some people really don't like gel. So I wanted to offer another option, if you will. So now I'm going in, I'm just going to use my edge control and really define the look, if you will. I guess give it a really, give it more of a polished look. I always like to do my edges just to give it a more polished look. So this right here completes the look. It's really simple. I just use a little bit of black castor oil and just individually shingled my hair. So now I'm just going to put my little accessories on, and this is the final look. This is it. It's pretty simple to do. I think this is a pretty simple technique. It's something that you can wear every day to work without any effort. In the morning, you might have to refreshen your curls with a little bit of foam before you go out the door, but this should be pretty simple to manage with, sleep at night with your satin cap, of course. But if you learned anything informative from this video and you like this and you want to learn more from me, then definitely like, comment, share, as it means so much, and subscribe to my channel. This look did have a lot of shrinkage, so I want to be real with you. There's going to be a lot of shrinkage, but your hair, shrinkage does mean it's healthy, so it's not really a bad thing. But if you like it, let me know. The products will be below for you guys.